Welcome to the channel Food Tech Insight, an initiative to provide in-depth knowledge in food science and technology. In previous videos, we discussed about D-value and we solved a numerical on D-value. In this video, we will discuss about F-value. What is F-value? F-value is defined as the total time required to a stated reduction in a population of vegetative cells or spores at constant temperature. What does it mean? For example, if a food sample has a initial microbial count of 10 to the power 6, we want to reduce it to 1 microorganism per sample at 120 degrees centigrade. So, the total time required to reduce microorganisms from 10 to the power 6 to 1 at 120 degrees constant temperature is known as F-value. Then what is the difference between D-value and F-value? D-value is the time required to reduce microorganisms by 1 log factor at constant temperature, whereas F-value is the total time required to reduce microorganisms to desired level at constant temperature. We will see the difference between D-value and F-value clearly by using a graph. This graph shows the reduction rate of Clostridium botulinum with respect to time. From this graph, we can clearly say that the decimal reduction time of Clostridium botulinum, that is time required for 1 log reduction, that means from 10 to the power 6 to 10 to the power 5 or 10 to the power 5 to 10 to the power 4 or 10 to the power 4 to 10 to the power 3 is 4 minutes. The D-value is same for every log reduction. But F-value is the total time required to reduce microorganisms from initial count to final count, that is from 10 to the power 6 to 10 to the power 3 here. From this graph, we can clearly say that F-value is nothing but the summation of all the D-values. If we know the D-value and if we know the number of log reductions, that is 3 log reductions here and the D-value is 4 minutes, so we can calculate F-value, that is 4 minutes into 3 log cycles. So 4 into 3, 12 minutes. See the formula of F-value. This is the formula of F-value, that is multiplication of D-value with the number of log reductions. So the term log n by n0 is also known as log reduction or log cycle or sterilization value. So from this formula, we can clearly say that if we know the decimal reduction time and number of log reductions, otherwise if we know the initial count and final count of the microorganisms, we can calculate the F-value. These are the terms involved in the formula, that is Ft process time, Dt decimal reduction time, N0 initial count and N is the final count. Let us solve some numericals. Problem number 1. Calculate the total time required to reduce Clostridium botulinum having a D-value of 0.25 minutes by 12 log cycles. Here the D-value is given and number of log cycles also given, so we can easily calculate the F-value by multiplying both these two. So this is the formula of F-value. Substitute both the values. We will get F-value as 3 minutes. Let us solve one more problem. In a sterilization process, D-value of the target organism is 0.22 minute. Time required for 99.99% inactivation of target organism at 121.1 degree centigrade will be. In the previous problem, number of log reductions are directly given. Here we have to calculate the number of log reductions. So this is the formula for log reduction. So we know that the initial concentration is 100%. So the final concentration will be 100 minus 99.999%. So substitute in the formula. So we will get 5 log reductions. Now substitute this log reduction value in the f value. We know the d value is 0.22 minute. So by substituting these values, we will get f value as 1.1 minute.